Tired of pet hair taking over your home, car, and clothes? Don't worry, we've got your back. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best pet hair removers that every pet owner needs to know about. Whether it's on your couch, carpet, or car seat, these tools will make fur cleanup a breeze. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the ViviaChart Pet Hair Remover. The ViviaChart Pet Hair Remover offers an innovative solution for keeping your living spaces free from pet hair. Designed with extra sticky yet reusable adhesive sheets, this tool efficiently lifts dog and cat hair from various surfaces, such as furniture, clothing, carpets, and even car interiors. Its powerful adhesive technology ensures effective removal, making it a reliable companion for pet owners who deal with fur buildup regularly. What sets the ViviaChart Pet Hair Remover apart is its eco-friendly and cost-effective design. Unlike traditional sticky rollers that require frequent replacement, this product's reusable surface significantly reduces waste, making it an environmentally conscious choice. By eliminating the need for disposable sheets, it also provides long-term savings while maintaining a clean and fur-free home environment. The versatility of this hair remover makes it ideal for multiple surfaces. Whether it's your couch, bedding, wardrobe, carpet, or your vehicle's interior, the device works well on both long and short-haired pets. This adaptability ensures thorough cleaning across all the places where pet hair tends to accumulate. Portability is another key feature, as the compact and lightweight design allows you to carry it easily in a bag or keep it in your car for quick and convenient touch-ups whenever needed. The ergonomic non-slip handle offers a comfortable grip, enabling smooth rolling and effective hair removal without slipping or causing hand fatigue. Overall, the ViviaChart Pet Hair Remover combines practicality with sustainability, providing an easy and efficient way to maintain a tidy, pet hair-free environment both at home and on the go. Coming in at number 4, the Dancemoon Pet Hair Remover. The Dancemoon Pet Hair Remover offers a smart and practical solution for dealing with pet hair on a variety of surfaces around your home and car. Its unique design features a detachable handle cleverly concealed within the roller body, allowing for easy installation and convenient portability. This innovative handle also includes a built-in scraper at the end, which helps keep the hair collection tank clean without requiring you to touch the hair directly, making the cleaning process neat and hygienic. Using the Dancemoon remover is straightforward. Just roll it back and forth across the surface to lift stubborn pet hair from furniture fabrics. This simple motion makes deep cleaning easier than ever, sparing you the effort and mess often associated with pet hair removal. The device is versatile and can be used on couches, carpets, car interiors, and many other fabric surfaces, although it is advised to avoid delicate materials like knitted fabrics, silk, wool, cashmere, and crochet to prevent damage. One of the standout features of the Dancemoon Pet Hair Remover is its environmentally friendly and economical approach. It is washable and reusable, eliminating the need for sticky refills, batteries, or cords. This not only reduces waste, but also saves money over time, making it an eco-conscious choice for pet owners. For best results, it is recommended to roll the remover multiple times on flat, firm fabrics. While it excels on these surfaces, its effectiveness may be somewhat limited on uneven, highly elastic, or long pile fabrics. Overall, the Dancemoon Pet Hair Remover combines functionality, convenience, and sustainability in a compact design that simplifies pet hair management for everyday life. At number 3, we have the Triton Pet Hair Remover. The Triton Pet Hair Remover offers a practical and efficient solution for managing pet hair in any home. Featuring dual rubber strips, this reusable lint roller is engineered to trap pet hair with exceptional effectiveness. Its design allows it to glide smoothly over surfaces while gripping twice as much hair compared to traditional rollers, ensuring your living space remains clean and pet-friendly. This versatile cleaning tool is suitable for use on a variety of surfaces, including furniture, couches, carpets, beds, rugs, and pillows. Whether you need to remove hair from upholstery or delicate fabrics, the Triton Pet Hair Remover adapts easily to your cleaning needs, making it an essential item for comprehensive pet hair management. Using the tool is straightforward. Simply roll it over the desired surface to collect hair into its compartment. For maximum efficiency, rolling in multiple directions, such as up, down, and side to side, captures hairs that may be stuck at various angles. When the compartment fills, a simple press of a button releases the collected hair for quick disposal. Designed with eco-friendliness in mind, this pet hair remover eliminates the need for disposable adhesive sheets or batteries. Its reusable nature makes it both a cost-effective and environmentally conscious choice. Additionally, the handle features an integrated hanging option, allowing for convenient storage and easy accessibility. Overall, the Triton Pet Hair Remover combines effective hair removal with sustainability and user-friendly design, making it a smart addition to any pet owner's cleaning arsenal. Next up at number 2 is the FurDozer X6 Pet Hair Remover. The FurDozer X6 Pet Hair Remover is a versatile and innovative tool designed to tackle pet hair and embedded debris on a variety of surfaces. Crafted with advanced materials and a patented design, the FurDozer combines functionality with ease of use, making it an essential cleaning accessory for pet owners and car enthusiasts alike. This all-in-one tool features 6 unique components, 3 different squeegee blades, 2 textured pads, and a crevice tool. Each element serves a specific purpose, allowing users to clean carpets, couches, car interiors, and more with remarkable efficiency. The FurDozer is designed to reach deep into fabrics and crevices where hair and lint often accumulate, removing even the most stubborn embedded debris. The tool's crevice feature excels in tight spaces that are usually difficult to access with vacuums or traditional lint rollers. Whether it's between car seats, couch cushions, or stair edges, the FurDozer reaches where other tools cannot, making detailed cleaning much easier. Unlike disposable lint rollers, the FurDozer is reusable and eco-friendly, reducing waste and offering a sustainable alternative. Cleaning the tool itself is simple, allowing for repeated use over time. For best results, the FurDozer should be used by applying firm pressure and pulling it in short, quick strokes across the surface. This method maximizes hair collection and ensures thorough cleaning. Overall, the FurDozer X6 Pet Hair Remover stands out as a multifunctional, durable, and environmentally conscious solution for maintaining pet-friendly, clean spaces without damaging delicate fabrics or surfaces. Finally, at number 1, we have the Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover. The Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover offers a highly effective solution for tackling pet hair on a variety of surfaces. Designed specifically to remove dog and cat hair, this roller goes beyond the capabilities of traditional lint rollers and sticky tape alternatives. Its deep cleaning action ensures that pet hair is lifted thoroughly, helping to keep your living spaces tidy and free from unwanted fur. Ideal for use on couches, pillows, rugs, car seats, and carpets, the Chom roller makes it easier than ever to maintain a fur-free environment. Whether you're dealing with shedding after a grooming session or everyday pet hair accumulation, this tool quickly addresses the challenge by trapping fur as you roll it back and forth. The collected hair is stored inside a built-in receptacle, which can be easily emptied by pressing a release button, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Beyond its performance, the roller stands out with its reusable design. Unlike disposable sticky sheets, it requires no adhesives or tape, contributing to a more sustainable and cost-effective cleaning routine. This feature means the roller can be used repeatedly without needing replacements, offering long-term value to pet owners. Overall, the Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover is a practical and versatile tool that caters to pet owners looking to effortlessly manage fur around their homes and vehicles. Its user-friendly design and efficient hair removal capabilities make it a convenient companion for anyone living with furry friends.